Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. This is Rachandeep Singh from the Millennium School Patiala. So today we are going to start with the new project. We are going to make a game in the Flappy Bird that will be moving according to our the gestures that will be shown. And so let's start with the game. So first of all, we are going to upload the sprites. I will share the resource from where you can get all the sprites that are available. And so for that we are going to upload the Flappy Bird and along with that the pipe sprite. And for the background environment we are going to change the background. Now as you can see we have imported the background. So first of all click on the select bar and select the entire background and drag and drop it on the entire screen so that it will occupy the entire screen that is visible on the full screen. After that what we have to do, we have to go for the Python environment and then select for the Python code and where we are going to go do the Python programming. So first of all we are going to do the coding on the Flappy Bird. In that one what we are going to do, we are going to specify the size of the Flappy Bird that will be 30 and we are going to change the coordinates of Flappy, making it at the start position, and along with that we are going to change the size of the pipe that I have made to 50, and you can make it according to your choice. In that one what we are going to do, we are going to specify the variable as sprite, and in that one we are going to set the coordinates of x, set x coordinate that you can even copy from the output screen, that is minus 213, and y coordinates as 11 that I am copying from the output screen. And after that what I'm going to do, I am going to inherit a PoseNet class that is used to detect the human body, and along with that I am going to insert a function that is hand video that is going to turn on the video, and along with that I am going to enable the box. And in that one, after that what I'm going to do, I am going to specify a while statement which is going to specify what will happen whenever it will analyze any hand. If it is going to analyze any hand, it is going to specify the detection, and after that what Sprite will do, Sprite will set the X direction based on the direction specified by the hand. In that, along with that, I am specifying the values as arguments 1, 8. What is the meaning of 1, 8? It specifies the first index finger and the points that are identified by the hand positions. And for the y coordinates, again we are going to specify as 2, 8. Now as we are done with the Flappy Bird, now let's come to the Sprite pipe and let's start doing the coding in that one. First of all, we are going to import the time function, that is a time class that is you whenever we are going to use the time function, at that time it will help us. And after that we are going to define a function as movement. Whenever the pipe will, we are going to make the pipe to move upwards and downwards, so we are going to specify x and y coordinates in that one. I have specified these coordinates according to my initial values, and Along with that, I have specified time delay or time sleep as 1. And then we are going to change the coordinates of x and y of pipe as well. Coordinates of x will remain the same, only the coordinates of y will be changed because we will make the movement of pipes upward and downwards. And again, that one we are going to specify the sleep timer for 1. And now the main function of the while statement will start. If the Flappy Bird is going to touch the pipe, then we are going to specify game over. Otherwise, it will do nothing. So for that one, what we are going to do, we are going to copy the name of the Flappy Bird and we will paste it in is touching function. Then Sprite will say as game over, and it will be displayed for 5 millisecond, and after that we are going to break the loop. Otherwise it will keep on executing the move function. Now what we are going to do, we are going to copy this sprite and we are going to inherit multiple pipes, make the duplicates of pipes in that one. And what we are going to do in other second sprite, the pipe sprite, we are just going to change the coordinates of x that we will be copying from the sprite block, x and y coordinates, and we will be copying it from the sprite block. The rest of the code will remain the same. Now make another copy of the pipe, and for that we are going to rotate the direction of the pipe. So it will appear in between two pipes, and again we are going to copy the x-axis and y-axis as well. And after that, what we are going to do, we are going to import one more sprite, that is line sprite, because now we have created all the content and Flappy Bird is going to move, but how the game will be ending. So we are inserting a red line, and whenever the Flappy Bird will be touching that red line, the game will come to an end and it will display the message that you won. So in that one, again we are going to import the hand pose net function class, and in that one we are going to specify if sprite is touching the if sprite is going to touch the red line, then video will be turned off and sprite will say you won. After that, first of all, save the project with the name as Flappy Bird. And now let's see the output. Click on run all sprites. It will take some time to load the modules. Now you can see pipe is working properly. Code is working fine. Now it is going to detect the gestures of the hand, and you can see kid is playing the game. Whenever the sprite will be touching the pipe, it will show the display the message as game over, and whenever it will be touching the red line, it will show the message as you won. Try to make this game by yourself. Your kid will really enjoy this. You can see the message you won. So this was all about today's session. Thank you so much. Have a great day.